Good evening, friends. Today we will go to study about colorimeter, which is a very important and useful laboratory instrument used in biochemistry lab, used in biochemistry lab. We will learn about the principal functions and component of the colorimeter. Now, first we have to know what is a colorimeter. For that, uh, I have written the definition of a colorimeter. A colorimeter is a specialized. A colorimeter. A colorimeter is a specialized laboratory device used to precisely measure the concentration and or intensity of a colored solution. Means when we perform a experiment in the biochemistry lab, that is, when we perform any experiment or any serum analysis to find the sugar, urea, or creatine in the serum of a patient in a biochemistry lab, we add some reagent into the serum and the color changes. So, to know the concentration and intensity of the colored solution, we use a colorimeter in that case. The core function of colorimeter is as follows. It determines exactly how much light a solution absorbs at a specific or targeted wavelength. There are many wavelengths in a colorimeter which we have to set according to the solution which we will use in a colorimeter. So the core function of the colorimeter is to determine how much light a solution absorbs at a specific or target wavelength when we are putting the solution in the colorimeter to determine the absorbance of that solution, of that color in the color solution. Now, the key applications of colorimeter are the first, the colorimeter is are used to know the concentration. Means the colorimeter works on in a fundamental law which is known as Beer-Lambert's law, and this law accurately calculates the concentration of solute. The concentration of solute based on the measured absorbance. Means it will find the concentration of the colored solution. Yeah, it the second application of colorimeter is it determines the color intensity. Means it quantifies how dark or light a material is, uh, which enables it to give precise comparison between the standard and the sample. The third application of colorimeter is it monitors a chemical reaction. It tracks how rapid or gradual a color changes during a chemical reaction, and it also measures the reaction rate. These three applications are very important in a colorimeter. meter. Now we have to know the guiding principle of a colorimeter. The principle by which the colorimeter works is known as Beer-Lambert's law. It is a very important law in biochemistry. It states that the absorbance of light is directly proportional to two factors. One is the concentration of the colored liquid, and the other is the path length or the distance traveled by the light. One is the concentration of the colored liquid, which is denoted by C, and the path length is denoted by L. Therefore, I have here the formula is written that absorbance is directly proportional to the concentration of the colored liquid multiplies distance the light traveled or the path length of the light. Now the parts of the colorimeter are as follows. There, a colorimeter contains a light source. The light source is usually a LED lamp that provides the necessary continuous light needed for measurement. A colorimeter contains a filter system. The main work of the filter system is it select a specific wavelength of light that is most suitable for colored solution being tested. Means it will the filter system will automatically select a specific wavelength of light which is the most suitable for any colored solution which is to be tested in a colorimeter. Cuvette. A cuvette is a small, precisely made transparent container that holds the liquid sample in the light path. Uh, Another part of colorimeter is the photocell. The photocell detects the exact amount of light that manages to pass through the sample. Means it helps us to measure the absorbance of light passed through the colorimeter and amplifier and display. The amplifier strengthens or weak the weak signal from the detector for an accurate reading shown on the screen. And the display is the screen, screen in which the absorbance is shown. Absorbance absorbance of the colored solution is shown for measurement. Measurement is shown. Thank you. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel, my YouTube channel Achieve with Host for more informative and helpful videos that I provide regularly in my channels. Thank you, friends.